Hello, welcome back to Absolute GA. Today I'm going to teach the basic of shower gel. First, let's go over our ingredients. We have salt, perfume, any perfume of your choice, thickener liquid to help thicken the mixture or the solution, foam booster, glycerin, color, any color of your choice, vitamin E. This I'm going to use the liquid one. We also have the pills form. They are all the same. And then Texapon. So let's start with the preparation. My Texapon is in my bowl already. So I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. The salt here is going to act as a preservative. So I'm not going to use much, just a little. And I'm also going to make 1 liter of shower gel. So for the measurement, I did not measure this one since I've been doing it for some time. But in my subsequent shower gels, since I said this is just the basics, so in my subsequent ones, I will add the measurement to it. So after mixing the salt and the Texapon well with water, I then add my thickener liquid to the mixture and then stir very well. Please, when stirring, make sure you stir it well so that Texapon well with water. I then add my thickener liquid to the mixture and then stir very well. Please, when stirring, make sure you stir it well so that the mixture becomes fine or very smooth. Like I always say, make sure you measure the quantity of water you are going to use so that as you are using, you wouldn't use it more or less. So we all know what foam booster does. It helps the shower gel to foam more. You can also ignore the foam booster if you don't want the shower gel to foam more or to lather more. Like I said, this is the basic. The others will follow. Shower gel, if you are doing shower gel, it depends on what you want to achieve with your shower gel. For instance, if you want to treat skin disease, there's an additional ingredient you add. If you want your skin to be more shiny, there's an additional one. So I added my glycerin earlier, and then I'm also going to add my vitamin E to it and then stir very well. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. There are more things ahead. So this time I added my perfume. You can either add your color before perfume or you add your perfume before color. Or you can even leave the solution to the next day, then add your perfume to it. It's all the same. So for me, I'm going to add my color bit by bit. So when I get to the color I want, I'll just stop adding the color. So I left it